help, Emma? Open. Rip open the paper. You can tear it.
Does that mean the battery's going out? Oh, the flashing red light.
Open the box.
You can get it.
I want to open the box.
Shake it. It's in there. Oh!
Oh! I want a car.
Well, you know what? There's lots of other presents. You got Santa pajamas? Do you hey, do you remember what? Do you remember that what we said? No matter what a present is, what do you say when someone gives you a present? Hey, okay. What do you say when someone gives you a present? Do you cry?